My hair's been thinning out. It's running wild long right now. And I think I want to go bald.
Bald head? Sheesh. How you feel about that, bro? You look like you got a lot of hair on the side.
I'm stressing, but it ain't looking right.
I see, no problem. Go ahead, take the hat off for me. Let me see what you got.
Oh my God.
Damn. Sheesh. Okay. You could really do the bald head. You know, we could just chop this off and just keep the beard long. But I think I got a better solution for you, you know. It is thinning up here, but I think I could give you some hope. I could cut this hair long on the side short so it can blend in and match the hair up top. Then I'll lay it down and give you a nice full lineup. No pushback. What you think?
Let's try it.
Okay, cool. When it comes to your haircut, what's most important to you?
I look good for the girls.
Okay. Yeah, we definitely gonna make you look good for the girls. All right, cool. So are you coming from Lower Maryland by chance?
Ellicott City.
Ellicott City, cool. Ready for the cut?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me put you back in the game.